If you are looking to begin your Bible journaling journey, but you don't know where to start and you don't want to spend a ridiculous amount of money on something that you don't know if you're going to actually continue with, then this week's video is for you. Hey, Bold Believer Besties, if this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. My name is Shelby. I am the owner of Dear Bold Believer, and every single week I'm here pouring you up a big, bold cup of Christ. So let's grow in our faith together. This week, I wanted to show you all a Dollar Tree inspired Bible journaling video. My Dollar Tree had so many options when it came to pens. I tried to highlight what I felt like were high quality pens that they had available in hopes that it would inspire you as you get started with your journey. But there were so many options, and I would have been there all day if I took the time to show you every single pen that was available. Now, my Dollar Tree was limited when it came to highlighters, so there weren't a lot of options, which is why I decided to also show you all the colored pencils that they had available and crayons, because those can be a good alternative to highlighters, especially when it comes to Bibles. Since the pages can tend to be pretty thin, you can typically get away with using a crayon, and in my personal opinion, the crayon texture is a lot similar to what those Bible highlighter textures are, so you could definitely use either or. And of course, if you've been around the channel for a while, then you know that you cannot Bible study without a journal. You have to have something that you can write all of your beautiful Bible study notes and reflections in. So I wanted to show you a few little journals that we saw in the Dollar Tree, and Rose is helping me to display those beautifully for you all. There was a ton of crayon colored pencils options, and hopefully you'll consider giving them a try. Worst case, look, they're $1.25. You can try it once, and if you don't like it, you can decide not to continue with it. You can always use them to do coloring, or give them to a child or the children in your life. I of course could not leave the Dollar Tree without showing you all some of the stickers that they have available. Stickers is one of my favorite ways to decorate my Bible, and so I really wanted to make sure that you all saw some of the inexpensive stickers that you could find at the Dollar Tree. They did have a Bible journaling sticker set as well, so I did want to make sure you saw those. As you know, you can get a variety of items depending on what Dollar Tree that you go to. They each tend to differ a bit, but they do all have like some standard options that each location typically has. So please drop in the comments and let me know what you found at your Dollar Tree. I would love to continue the conversation with you in the comment section. Sticky notes are a great way to put notes in your Bible, so I wanted to show you some sticky notes as well as the tabs that they have at the Dollar Tree. And it seems like they've upgraded, and they do have some little sticky note combos, which I thought were really cute and a nice variation of items that would be great for Bible journaling. I hope you all enjoyed this week's video, and prayerfully it inspires you and encourages you as you continue to pursue after Christ boldly. I would love to see some of your Bible journaling spreads. Be sure to tag us on Instagram at Dare Bold Believer. Until next time, you guys, be bold, be blessed. Bye.